Hello everyone, welcome back to the map of mathematics. In this video we are going to solve this nice algebra problem, and here we have a nice factorial problem. So we have n minus 5 factorial equals to 6 factorial and 7 factorial. So now first I can explain little bit about the factorial function. So here I can write n factorial, and you know that n factorial equals to n times of n minus 1 into n minus 2 and up to so on 3 times of 2 times of 1. So if you can break this factorial at any term or any factor, you can break this factorial at any value which you want. So it means that if you have 12 factorial, I can write 12 times of 11 times of 10 times of 9 factorial. I can break this factorial at 9 factorial. And if you have 12 times 11 times 10 times of 9 factorial, then we combine it as and we write 12 factorial. So now we will use this concept and in order to solve this problem. So now first you can focus on the right hand side, and you have n minus 5 factorial equals to, here you have 6 factorial, and now we can open this 6 factorial and we write it as 6 times of 5 times of 4 times of 3 times and 2 times of 1 into 7 factorial. So now we will just simplify the right hand side, and we make the right hand side in the whole factorial form, so that here I can just multiply 4 times of 2, and we have the other terms are 6, 5 and 3. And when we multiply 4 times of 2, then you get 8, and here you have 7 factorial. So according to this fact, I can combine 8 and 7 factorial, and it will becomes 6 times of 5 times of 3 times of 8 factorial, because 8 times of 7 factorial will becomes 8 factorial. And in the next step we will break this 6 factorial, and you will get 2 times of 3. You know that 2 times of 3 will become 6, and we have 5 times of 3 times of 8 factorial. And now in the next step we will multiply this 3 by 3 and this 2 by 5. So you get 2 times of 5 will be 10, and 3 times of 3 will be 9 into 8 factorial. And you see that we have 10 times of 9 times of 8 factorial, and we write it as whole 10 factorial, because here you see that if you have 12 factorial and we break it as 12 times of 11 times of 10 times of 9 factorial, then when you combine all these terms, then it will becomes whole 12 factorial. So we can write according to this fact, we write this term as 10 factorial. And in the left hand side we have n minus 5 factorial. So you see here we have n minus 5 factorial equals to 10 factorial, and here this factorial is cancelled out by this one, and you will get n minus 5 equals to 10. And in order to find the value of n, we move this minus 5 in the right hand side, and you will get here n equals to 10 plus 5, so that you have n equals to 10 plus 5 will becomes 15. So this is the our final value of n in this problem, and this is our final answer. So now we will check our value is n is equals to 15 satisfied our given question or not. So that in order to check n is equal to 15, we will just substitute here n is equals to 15 in the given question statement, and our given question statement is 6 factorial into 7 factorial. And now we will put the value of n in the left hand side, and you will get here 15 minus 5 factorial equals to 6 factorial into 7 factorial. Now you will use the calculator in order to find the values of 6 factorial and 7 factorial. You can easily find the value of factorial by multiplying all these values. So it is up to you, is you can use a calculator or you can solve it by manually. So we have the value of 6 factorial is 720, and the value of 7 factorial is 5040. So in the left hand side we have 15 minus 5 will becomes 10 factorial, and it is equals to 720 times of 5040 will becomes 36288 and 00. So when you can multiply these two numbers, then you will get here this form. And similarly, when you can open the factorial of 10, then you will get the same value, which is 36288 and 00. So it is equals to 36288 and 00. So this shows that left hand side equals to right hand side. So our final conclusion is that n equals to 15 be the our final value of this question. And this is our final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Thank you so much. Bye bye.